Hello, Vermont Skills USA. This is Joe Fingerhut coming to you, and I want to know, are you registered for the State Leadership Conference next month? The deadline to sign up is coming up March 19th. Make sure that you don't miss this opportunity. 2021 has had our fair share of obstacles, but what it's allowing us to do with a virtual experience is for you to not miss out on any opportunity. You get the chance to show that you are the best of the best in Vermont. You get a chance to participate in dozens and dozens of different contests, whether it's in leadership or technical skills. All of these are laid out on the website, so make sure you talk to your advisor and get signed up, get registered, get in. Being in these contests are going to look great on your resume. It's going to put you in a position to receive scholarships and, more importantly, job experience in the future. So don't miss out. There will be keynotes, there will be contests, there will be social interactions. Make sure you're registered, seek out your advisor, get registered, and I will see you there.